Having a side hustle is a great way to make some extra money outside of your regular school day. And today I'm going to share with you 4 great side hustles for teenagers that don't require any money up front. And of course, you don't need to have a degree or you don't need to get good grades in school to do any of these. Many companies are looking for high school students to promote their products or services to their peers and other members of their school community. Now, a high school brand ambassador promotes the brand's products or services to their peers, typically through social media or in-person interactions. Now, this person is usually a student who has a strong social media presence, is involved in school clubs or organizations, and has a positive reputation among their peers. Now, as a brand ambassador, the student, that's you are responsible for promoting the company's products or services through various channels such as social media, word of mouth, or any promotional events. They may also be responsible for providing feedback and insights to the company about how their products or services are received by their target audience. Now, in exchange for your services as a high school ambassador, you may receive compensation such as free products or services, discounts, or even a stipend. This can be a great opportunity for students to gain valuable marketing and business experience, as well as build relationships with companies and organizations that may be helpful for future career opportunities. Overall, being a high school ambassador can be a rewarding and exciting experience for students who are interested in marketing, entrepreneurship, or building relationships with businesses and organizations. Now, an example of a company that's hiring high school brand ambassadors is wiseprep.com. Now, WisePrep is an online platform that provides test preparation services for standardized exams such as the SAT, ACT, the GRE. The website offers a range of study materials, including practice tests, video lessons, and personalized tutoring services. In addition to its test prep services, wiseprep.com also offers college admissions counseling. Now, what you would do as a brand ambassador for WisePrep is simply tell your high school friends about it. They offer a flexible online part-time job where your job is to bring free tutoring resources and scholarship information to your fellow students. Now, they are looking for students in the 9th grade, 10th grade, 11th, or 12th grade. So as long as you are enrolled in high school, if you use social media, if you have an outgoing personality, if you enjoy meeting new people and are motivated to work without supervision, then you qualify. The company promises to pay $20 per hour plus commissions. So that can put an extra $800 to $1,000 a month in your savings account. The benefits of a brand ambassador include building employable skills, boosting your resume, you earn reference letters from them, and you also help your peers with their academics. Now, to apply for this job, you can go to wiseprep.com or click the link in the description. Many teenagers struggle with academic challenges such as time management, organization, and study skills. Now, if you have had to overcome any of these struggles, if you have a system in place that has been working for you and it brings you good success, then you can use this to your advantage. What if you could package your expertise, your skills, or that system and sell it to other teenagers as an academic coach? You can work with younger students to help them develop the skills they need to succeed in school. Now, many adults are scared of technology, but most teenagers are highly skilled in technology and can offer coaching services to older adults who are not as comfortable with computers or other digital devices. So this could include providing basic training on how to use a smartphone or tablet, or helping people learn how to navigate social media. A technology coach is someone who helps others learn how to use technology effectively. So this can include teaching basic computer skills, providing training on specific software applications, or helping people navigate social media and other digital platforms. Technology coaches may work with individuals or groups, and they may provide coaching services in person or online. Now, as a teenager, there are several ways to make money as a technology coach. Here are just a few examples. First, there's online coaching. You can offer technology coaching services online through platforms like Zoom, like Skype, or Google Meet. You can advertise your services on social media or on online marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr. Social media management is another way you can be a technology coach. Many businesses and organizations need help managing their social media accounts. Teenagers who are skilled in social media can offer coaching services to help these businesses develop effective social media strategy. Then there's website design. Teenagers who have skills in web development and design can offer coaching services to help businesses and individuals create and maintain their websites. So overall, technology coaching is a great way for teenagers to make some money while leveraging their skills and interests. With the increasing importance of technology in our lives today, there is a growing demand for technology coaches who can help others navigate the digital landscape. Teenagers who have a passion for personal growth and development can become life coaches for other teenagers. They can provide guidance on topics such as goal setting, time management, and developing healthy habits. So if you are someone who has been through certain things in life and have overcome, then you can certainly help someone who is where you once were. A life coach is a professional who helps individuals identify and achieve personal and professional goals. Life coaches use a variety of techniques to help their clients gain clarity, overcome obstacles, and make positive changes in their lives. They work with clients one-on-one to provide guidance and support, and they often use exercises and tools to help their clients stay on track and to stay motivated. A life coach can help clients in a variety of areas, including career development, relationships, health and wellness, personal growth, and more. They may also specialize in a specific area or work with clients on a broad range of issues. Some life coaches have formal training and certification, while others have developed their skills through their own life experiences. So overall, a life coach is a non-judgmental and supportive partner. That's important. And they help individuals achieve their goals and live their best life. They can provide accountability, motivation, and guidance to help clients overcome challenges and achieve success. And don't let age discourage you. You are not too young to be a coach. I'm sure you're already doing this every day in some way. You're just not getting paid for it. Just because you're young doesn't mean you don't know anything. There are 9 and 10-year-olds getting master's degrees and even PhDs today. So age doesn't mean much. If this is something you're passionate about, and you've been thinking about it, now may be a good time to go for it. I hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, then like the video and don't forget to subscribe.